In a match like this, Eric, I would try to ride this out, not taking any risks at all. Try to win this match safely. A 1-0 deficit changed the impact of the whole match here.
Fighting hands, both of these wrestlers. And Jumanazarova, that is what is so impressive about her, is she will pick her spots, and just as I say that, she gets to an underhook. Now sneaks it down to that left leg, doing a good job. Talk about the progression to get to a finish here. What does she need to do?
The Turkish coach got a yellow card there. I'm not sure why.
I'm not sure either. He must have said something.
Maybe he was hitting on the mat or screaming, standing up or something like that.
Maybe multiple warnings were given or missed, and there you see. This is going to change this match. Let's see, Jumanazarova now.
Why are they calling a caution for her?
A caution. "30 seconds left. A shot attempt coming again. And you can't get caught underneath here. With someone as experienced as Jumanazarova, she will fight the clock for as long as she has to. That 19 seconds is all that stands between her. And we can see this as our team on the ground floor.